In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. We, all the people who do drive a vehicle, who have to drive a vehicle, either for private use or for any sort of commercial use, whatever the reason behind it is, I'm going to talk something about them first, and another very important thing then. But what we are going to talk in the beginning is not unimportant, is not less important as well. It is quite important as well. There are certain things in the driving, during the driving, there are certain things which must be done frequently. And we should be prepared for all those things in every single moment, in every single second. Like looking upon the mirrors right left of the driving driver with the one door or the other door, frequently seeing it. Brake, pull the brake, stop the vehicle. Mean brake using the foot brakes, both. Frequently using the foot brake, frequently, although it is not needed, yet during the driving, do it once, twice, or thrice. Do it without a reason, without a reason. But again, there are certain principles of using the brakes. I don't need to talk about those because I'm not teaching the driving. The basic purpose of today's talk is not to teach the driving to the people, rather, there is something else. So why to do that? By the way, why to do that? Because as and when it is needed, as and when it is needed, we should be very ready to use it. As and when it is needed to break the speed, we must do it, and do it, should do it instantly, as and when the need arises. Because delaying your brake even for few seconds could cost you very dearly. Delay in pressing the brake pedal, though only for few seconds, could cost us very dearly. That is why it is recommended to use it when it is not even needed, just for the sake of practice. Now, coming to switching over to another thing. Although the first one we have talked about is quite important, but the second one we are going to talk about is not any way lesser important than the first one. What is that? While talking, while talking, pull the brakes of your tongue so often, quite often, quite often, sometimes because it is needed. Whenever the need arises, whenever the need arises, pull the brake, stop talking, stop talking, stop talking, whenever the need arises. Or even when it is feared, expected, feared, that what I'm going to talk about might create some sort of problem or misunderstanding. Even you are not sure that it will create a problem, you are not very sure, but a suspicion is there. You are fearing, expecting. Even then, pull the brakes of your tongue. Push the pedal of brakes. As far your talking, as far your tongue is concerned, stop talking, stop talking, stop talking, or that is also stop talking, like taking turn. Stop talking, don't say what you were going to say. Rather say something else which is absolutely innocent, where there is no chance of any sort of loss, trouble, problem, tension, stress. Stop talking. When you think that it is going to be dangerous, it is going to be harmful, it is going to be hurtful, it is going to be bad, it is going to be noxious, it is going to be troublesome, stop talking. Stop talking even when there is a bit of probability, suspicion, fear. Although you are not very sure, but the fear is there that it might create one kind of problem or the other kind of problem. Stop talking. Stop saying this thing, rather, you can say something else which is benign, which is not going to be hurtful. Say something else. Take a turn, take a twist. Now, there is another situation, and that is normal talking. That is normal talking. There is no danger ahead. Rather, there is no danger ahead, and even there is no suspicion that it might cause some sort of problem. Even then, do do practice pulling the brake of your tongue. Do practice pulling the brakes of your tongue. Means stop talking. There is no imminent danger at all, not even fear, not even suspicion. Yet, for the sake of practice, for what? For the sake of practice only, pull the brakes of your tongue. Stop talking. Say something else instead of what you wanted to say. Instead of what you wanted to say, stop talking. Especially when there is something in your mouth, in your mind, which you are desperate to talk about and which you think that you will enjoy talking. Don't talk, don't say that. Withhold, withhold. Practice withholding whatever you are going to say. Practice it. It will be of great use to you. It will prevent you, protect you from trouble. It will protect you from trouble. It will protect you from troubles, many of the troubles. Thank you. Jazakallah.